Hello, my name's Jason Cooper with JBC Studios, and I'm trying the spicy chicken sandwich combo at Wendy's with one additional spicy chicken sandwich. I'm drinking Diet Coke, nice and refreshing. Got some French fries. Really fresh and delicious. Got sea salt on them. Look at that. Spicy chicken sandwich. Look at that. So good. Can't expect something to taste this good at fast food. So fresh, so juicy. So flavorful. And this is from Wendy's. I'm either thinking about Diet Coke, about to drink Diet Coke, or gotta drink Diet Coke. It's gonna be like 90 degrees today. Sitting here in the shade. Just got off work, put it away to the food truck. I recommend, if you're gonna go out to eat fast food, go to Wendy's. And if you're in the Tacoma City, go to Fife. That's the best Wendy's you'll have to eat food. Great service, very friendly staff, and the general manager at Fife Wendy's is the best manager as well. Well, I better get going because I gotta go take the city bus. See you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later. Aloha.